Kittl has a ton of amazing Halloween graphics and illustrations for you to use in your next print-on-demand project or party flyer or anything like that. And so we're going to take a look at exactly where to find those illustrations. But hey, if you're new to Kittl, go ahead and sign up for free using that link down in the description. Then you can have access to all of these amazing vector Halloween graphics. So if you've been looking for some, you have come to the right video. So let's take a look. Alright, in Kittl, if we look over here in the Elements panel, we can actually go to Illustrations and already find a Halloween category developed for you for easy access. So I'm just scrolling down this left panel until we get to this Halloween section. You can see here we have 110 specific Halloween illustrations that you can use. Again, for free. Kittl is free to use at the most basic level, and you can have access to these amazing Halloween graphics. So if I just scroll down these just a little bit, you can see everything from pumpkins and bats to ghosts and ghouls and some really crazy, awesome illustrated ones. I'll just add a couple, so I'll add that one right there. I'll add this little Dracula here. And of course, you can always just search up in the elements for something specific. So if I want to search for bat, I can click bat, and then it's going to show me everything specifically. It's even going to show me, you know, like a baseball bat, of course. But look at all of these really cool, spooky Halloween elements that you can use. And so here they are on the board. And what's really awesome is these are fully customizable. Again, I mentioned that they were vector. So here we've got some crazy purple smoke, but maybe we want that purple smoke to be something else, like a blue. So we can make both of these like a crazy blue smoke. Maybe we want the orange of the pumpkin to be a little bit darker or something even more spooky. We can do the same thing over here with the Dracula. Maybe we want his bow tie to be like a bright orange or something, kind of go with this collar in the back here. Or maybe we don't want him so blue. Maybe we want him more pale or something like that. We can even do that. So a lot of these are fully customizable. Again, if I go over here in the elements, we already have that Halloween's category for you to use for some of these graphics, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun being able to just use a ton of these graphics in any way that you want. So I hope you go crazy with it, and I hope it works out perfectly for any Halloween graphics that you need. So here are some Halloween graphics made with those same illustrations that I just showed you in Kittl. So again, I hope you have a blast coming up with your own Halloween graphics. Now, if you want to see other tips, tricks, and features about Kittl, I have some videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming events, updates, features, things like that. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, create magic.